Let us put our system to the test, shall we? I'm really getting better at this thing. Okay, so let's look at the Facebook page and see the poster we find here. So this is the page that our system is connected to. So let's run the system once and see what we get. It's running. Running to you. I'll be running to you. Okay, so I think it did run. Okay, so the maximum number of return this thing was 5. So it did find like 3 news that had Trump in it. So it's going to post those 3. That's why you see it run 3 times here. So our page is loading up. So you see we have this here. This as well. Trump travel ban. Anything relating to Trump is what we are getting here. The man unraveling what yad, and you see the guy who almost killed Trump. So that's why we have this, and this is fulfill Trump promise. So yeah, that system works perfectly. So is this a system that you would love to have? Let me know in